Okay. Let's see if anything's new in the neighborhood. This is Gulf Drive North. I got one for sale. That was not there before. Building the house there. You knew that was happening. Look, they got a new listing down here. May as well get a picture. A picture's worth 1,000 words. A lot of new stone in there, huh? I want a lighthouse mailbox just like that. Can we make one? Coconut alert. Bay Drive North. Anything new down here? Uh-oh. Nothing new down here. But yeah. Yeah.
$19.
Yeah.
And I thought,
Okay, I'm going back down. What's the name of the next street? Lagoon Drive North. Anything new down here? Nope. It's about the same as it ever does. That's a cool little picture there. I gotta take it. Nice day for this picture. Okay. Last street coming up. There's a couple pretty cool mansions here. One of them had a garage sale last year. This one right here had a garage sale. Guy was living in it, was from Rockford. What street is this? Hey, there's our mailman. Mail lady, I should say. What street are we on? Flagship. Yeah, watch out for the kitty. Watch out for the kitty. Holiday Rambler. Give me another picture. This one's gonna be kind of sunny, so it probably won't be that great. Nice rack. That's a mighty fine looking holiday rambler you got there.
Thank you.
Pretty spiffy.
Thanks.
What year is it?
18.
Nice. Yeah, I got the old Monaco down at the end of the street.
Oh, okay. Okay. I had an old Gulfstream, 05 Gulfstream.
Okay.
41 foot like this.
Yeah.
And it had the motor. This has got the ISL9 in it, the bigger motor.
More horsepower.
Yeah, and I like the RV. I actually bought it used because my house in Jersey got hit by Sandy.
Okay.
And I didn't want to pay.
Oh man.
I didn't want to pay no contract. So I had my house in Pudgeot, so I bought a used motorhome just to live in, park next door to my house, and I had power. So I fixed the, I got it where I could get the electric and water turned on, and I moved into the house and fixed the rest. Nice. That's the only reason why I bought a motor.
Nothing like owning 3 houses in a hurricane zone.
Exactly. At least you could bug out.
Yeah, we had a couple. We stayed in our motorhome because of venture out and because of over here too. Irma killed us over here. Wilma did it over there.
Yeah. Oh, you got a place to venture out?
Had one, yep, until Irma decided to wash it away, and we said, we're not going to rebuild in here.
I got an RV lot there.
Yeah?
Yeah, I bought an RV lot just to use as a staging area. Like if there's going to be a hurricane here, I got 2 boats to haul.
Hey, that was my idea too.
So I bring that over onto the lot, I plug it in, have everything loaded, I haul my boats, I put them up in the yard. I drive the Jeep to venture out, hook it up to the back, and get out of Dodge.
Yep.
There you go.
And then right now, it's rented all winter.
Yep.
Nobody rents it, so it pays for everything, you know?
Yeah, we turned ours into an RV lot. It was lot 500,
Okay.
and they were all fighting about it. This was right after Irma, saying there wasn't going to be RV lots and this and that.
They took it to court and they beat the county.
Right. So that was cool, but we let her go then and really hadn't looked back. Do kind of miss the place. It's a nice place to go swim. You don't have to take care of the pool. Good place to go to the hot tub.
Sure.
You don't have to take care of the hot tub.
Right.
Like you pointed out, if you got an RV.
There now?
I know.
It's freaking crazy.
It's insane. It's insanity.
Crazy. There was a oceanfront RV lot there. It went for $575,000.
It's insanity because you're going to get penalized the same tax as you would any place else.
Yeah.
And then you got your runaway condo fees on top of it. But like you pointed out, though, you can do weekly, monthly, daily rentals. We made a lot of money. We had our place for 10 years.
Houses next to the marina guy put up, $1 million a piece.
That sounds like Marino.
You know?
Sounds like John Marino.
But I mean, 30-foot lot. I mean, really?
I know.
700 square feet, really? You know what I mean?
Oh man, I'm telling you, 35 by 70. Yeah, our lot was dry, so it didn't have a whole lot going for it.
Right.
But it had a Florida room from the 70s,
Sure.
But Irma killed it, and we could have put it back, but it was way far gone. I mean, the roof was over in Cuba somewhere, and some of the walls were up in Big Pine.
As an RV lot.
We did, but they were being such persnickety things about it, and it didn't owe us anything after 10 years, so Yeah, we let it go. It's been sold 3 times since we sold it.
Has it?
Not really for any more money, so we didn't do too bad.
Well, that's good.
Well, you have a good day. I just had
Be
to
good.
say I like your motorhome. It's
Thanks.
awesome.
Thanks.
I'm gonna get a newer one someday.
There you go.
That day hasn't come yet, but it's gonna. Okay, and that was right in the middle of my bike riding tour. Nope, it was still filming. I'm gonna go down my last streets. Lagoon. Look, somebody hit the sign. I don't even know how you could do that. South side of Lagoon. Coconuts.